Okay then. Ooh, nice. Look at that. Nice.
That's pretty funny.
There's our elevator. Student hall.
There's the elevator you want.
Oh, okay. These.
Oh.
Oh, it's a. Ooh, they butchered in our one. See, I expected all the elevators here to look like this.
You want me to test out the outlet?
Sure, go ahead. I expected all the elevators to look like this. Like, that's what I mean when because normally I expect them all to be modded like this. I don't expect the black buttons. Although this is very interesting. This kind of looks like a Schinlder mod. Oh, Kelly's second.
Didn't you click from the fourth floor?
Yeah, but it was locked.
Oh, yeah.
Here, try out your
First testing. It works.
Someone's getting on. Here's the first floor. Yeah. Very interesting.
They both work. You think that's the thing with all of these elevators, or you never?
It's quite weird. The fact that they all have outlets is quite strange, I'd say.
Oh, that's heavy. That door's a little heavier than I thought.
That is McCannel.
Okay.
We'll end it at 1. The chime beeps, but it doesn't light up.
You know how it has those up and down arrows, they don't even work.
Put them back.
All right.